Okay. Calcium will react with iodide. We will explain this is later. I will give you the types of equation, but now just we are focusing about the balance. And sodium will go with the chlorine. Okay, so please focus about this. We are allowed to change the coefficient. We are allowed to change the coefficient as many times as we need. We are not allowed to change the subscript which is here. Anything in the front of the symbol or the element, you are not allowed to touch. You are only allowed to change the coefficient. Okay. This is first thing you have to know it. This is in balance. You are not allowed to change the subscript. First of things I will do, I will write the elements that I have. What I have calcium. What also I have a chlorine. What I have sodium. Also, I have iodine. Any other elements I have here? I didn't see it. For sure, I just write what I have in the reactant side, because what I have in the reactant side, I must have it in the product side. It's impossible that while I am cooking meat and rice, and I just put it meat and rice in my pan, and at the end to find chicken and meat and rice, from where the chicken will come. This is only come from this. What I have, I will found it at the end. This is when we were students, or even me when I was more younger in just studied the chemistry. I didn't understand that these elements are these elements. They are the same, because this is but just what happened, that this is decomposes and reacted with one another. So do you know, when I have this, I don't have this anymore. And then when I have this, I don't have this. Can you understand? When I am going to make a cake, okay, you have the egg and the oil and the flour. You have this in the front of you. Do you have the cake? Anyone? Do you have the cake now? No. But okay, when you mix the oil, the flour, and the egg, okay, and you put it in the oven or whatever, what you have now? You have the cake. Do you have the egg anymore? Do you have the oil anymore? You don't have it. You have a new product. We call it the cake. Did you understand? So this is the reactant. This is what I have. I have the egg. I have the oil, the flour. Okay, I mix them. Things are look, and then I have the cake. Okay. Did you understand? Who understood the idea? This is not at the same time there, except if I have mixed extra, which we call it in chemistry excess. Safa, did you understand the idea of a chemical reaction?
Yes.
So what we have at the start, we don't have it at the end. Okay. So now I have the calcium. Okay, I have chlorine, I have sodium, I have iodine. I have to write reactant. So this is big. Reactant. And I have what also? Product. We also learned how to read the molecule. So I know this is molecule. I know that I have how many calcium? How many calcium? Just I have to see the number here. I have only one. Here, how many calcium do I have? Only one. Son, how many atoms of chlorine do I have here? Son, he want to do a cup of tea without asking us if we want. Son, hello.
Oh, hi, sorry.
Where you were?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to open the mic.
It's okay. Okay, how many atoms of chlorine do I have?
Chlorine?
Yeah, how many? C.
Just
This,
Cl, right?
huh? Cl, yes, the chlorine is Cl.
2?
2. Okay, it has 2. And here,
Oh, what is that?
this is chloride also.
Oh, the chlorine 1.
1, very good. Okay, now, Safa.
Yeah.
Okay, how many atoms of sodium element I have?
1.
Okay, and the product side, how many elements of sodium do I have?
Also 1.
Okay, here this is 1, yeah? And this is 1. Abbas. I corrected for you. Abbas. Hello?
Yes.
Okay, how
Yes.
many atoms of iodine element I have?
It's 1.
Okay. How many iodine
It's 2.
atoms? 2. Look at the for the question. Always I ask for the new students because they still don't know it. How many? This is my question. Please be careful about it. How many atoms of, for example, of chlorine, iodine, potassium, whatever atoms in, let's say the chlorine, of a chlorine. How many atoms of a chlorine? How many atoms of a chlorine in sodium? Why I ask? Why I don't know how to write it? Just element of a chlorine element. We have. I want you, Safa, and Sam and everyone. Do you see? I ask about what? Atoms of a chlorine element. Okay, so the chlorine element is just a chlorine element, but it's maybe I have 2 chlorine elements. Maybe I have 7 chlorine, which is impossible. We have usually S8. S8, it's okay. So this is the element sulfur. We call the element sulfur. But how many atoms do we have? The best example, I think that students can understand that I have a bar of a chocolate. This is just 1 bar of a chocolate. I have just 1 bar of a chocolate. But how many atoms I have, which mean this is how much atoms I have. Sana, if you understand me, Safa, if you understand me, let me know. Okay? So this is the chocolate. This is the element. Okay? How many atoms I have, which mean how many pieces, how many copies of each others I have. Because here chlorine 2, this is mean I have a chlorine and the chlorine. It's still the same element, chlorine, but I have 2 copies of it. So I have 2 atoms of a chlorine element. Okay? It's not, I know, it's easy for me because of too much practicing.
Miss,
For, yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So when you got your answer, so did you switch the first ones, the CA, and then the second one, which is the NA?
Yeah, I switched it.
Okay, but how did you get for the I? How did you get 2?
Okay, this is why I ask you, please come on Monday. Okay. Because do you see? Because sodium iodide, when it was like sodium, it has a charge 1. Iodine, when it's a charge 1. When they play together, sliding, so what they have? Minus and the plus cancelled. So sodium and iodine stayed the same. Okay? Because here there is nothing to go down, and here there is no number to go down. Is there any number? Sodium has just a charge 1, and iodine has a charge 1, and 1 we don't need to write it. And the plus and the minus are cancelled. Okay? But while calcium in group 2, it has charge of 2 plus, and iodine has -1. So if they bring sliding, so do you see calcium? Iodine will make a slide and comes beside it. How much is the number? 1. So I don't need to write it. And then I write iodine, and so the calcium will go down. So 2 will go down. So this is because of the charges. Okay? Because calcium has 2 electrons, and this is the ionic bond. When calcium has 2 electrons. Iodine has 7. So calcium will give it 1. Iodine will say, thank you, I am saturated. I don't need any more. Just what I need is 1, because I am in the group 7. I have 7 valence. Just I need only 1. So thank you, calcium. I don't need any more. So calcium says, oh, I have still 1. What I have to do? I have to look around me about another iodine. She will find iodine. And this is iodine have 7 also. And she has 1. She will give it to the iodine. And this iodine will say, thank you, calcium. I am now okay. I have octet rule. So do you see? I have 1 calcium. How many iodine? 2. And here, calcium, I have 1. How many iodine? 2. Did you understand? So we need to understand the symbol of the element, Lewis dot symbol, valence of electrons, charge, how to make the ionic bond, and then to write the chemical formula. All of these we studied already 5 days, which mean 10 hours. Can you believe that we studied 10 hours before you, students? So we will do our best to review. We can, Mr. Hussein said we can make a review for you. Okay, so maybe more than 1 times, we will see how much we can finish. Okay, Ali, you're the one who asks me. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Did you get a small good idea now?
Yes, yes. Now I know how to do it.
Okay. Safa,
Yes, I understand.
San.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, but it's not easy. I know. Yeah. Just need practicing. We know, we feel that we understand, but when we do it by ourselves, we feel confused again. Okay, so we don't need now this is today, because I want just you to understand that it's element. The element is calcium, but how many atoms I have? 1. The elements is iodine. How many atoms? How many atoms? How many copy of the same one I have? Okay, I told, I keep telling, connect with something you understand, with any story that make you understand it. Okay, so now for balancing, we have to go, I will have to use another color. Let me use the red. Okay, so I will look here. In balance, I have to multiply the coefficient with the subscript. Okay, And here, the coefficient with the subscript. Okay, so this is how I will know the number of atoms. We are balancing the number of atoms because we are making balance, which means if I have a band, a balance band, this is the old, very old-fashioned one, we will have two bands. So whatever I put in my left side, I should be equal to what I have in my right side. Okay, so we see. Here we will check the reactant, and then we will look then at the product side. How many, I will ask every time one of you to help me. I will start with Yusuf. Yusuf, look here about the calcium.
Yes.
How many atoms of calcium do I have?
We have only one.
Okay, and it means that one here multiplied by one here, it's stay one. And in
Yeah.
the product side?
We have one.
Okay, good. So the calcium is good. What about the chlorine, Yusuf?
We
I
have
have
two.
here one. I multiply it by what?
By two.
Okay. So here, the chlorine, I have one. I use, how many chlorine I have?
For the product side,
Yeah,
we have only one.
okay. So what I have to do?
You multiply it like the one.
I
For
multiply the one by two. It was here one, I multiply it by two, it equal two, okay?
yeah.
So now I have here two and I here two. So I have to multiply. You said I have to multiply the chlorine. So I cannot go here and multiply it. Please focus. I cannot multiply here. I can play as much in the coefficient side. Only the coefficient side. I am not allowed to change any subscript. Okay? So we did it. But every time I make a change, I have to go back to zero. Do you understand what I mean by zero? To start from the calcium. I am here now. I know that I'm in the chlorine and I am good with the chlorine. But no, according to the rules, they ask me to go back. So now, thank you, Yusuf, because we have to go back. Let's see with Ali. Ali, how many calcium I have?
One.
Huh?
One.
One. In the product side?
You have one.
Okay. Look at the chlorine. Chlorine, is it balanced? How many I have?
You have two chlorine.
Okay, and here?
You have one.
No.
Oh, yeah, two.
Two, because already now it's two. And you have pencil and eraser, and I will say it's okay. I don't need it now. I am okay. It's two. Okay? Okay, so now I have one and two, which means yes, I am good here, I am good here. But be aware that even if I am good here and here, I am good here, any change maybe will change everything from me. You will see in other examples. There maybe this will change and I have to change it from the start. I will go to the sodium. Sodium 1. And here, how much is the sodium?
That's two.
Yeah, it was 1. But when I change for the chlorine, the sodium affected. And I don't say 1 times 2 equal 2 because I didn't multiply it. It changed automatically. So I will say it's now how much it's 2. Okay? I will look onto the other side. Oh, now it's here 2. And now it here is 1. So I have to multiply the sodium by what I will do for the sodium. Here, this sodium, what I will do for it? I have to multiply it by 2. Because here, this is sodium is 2. I have to go and multiply this is by 2. So it's now 2. And then I will go back to check everything. Every time I do a change, I have to go to 0. Ali, I know that you are confused. Are you okay or too much confused?
Oh no, I'm good.
I am good. Okay, so Sana. San, sorry.
Yes.
We will go to the start. How many calcium I have?
So what is it?
How many atoms of calcium element do I have?
1. Is it
Okay.
1?
Yeah. How many
Yeah.
calcium of atoms of how many atoms of calciums I have?
1.
Okay, so I am good. I
Yeah.
will go to chlorine. How many chlorine atoms do I have?
2.
2. So 2. It's good. Chlorine. Here, how many chlorine I have?
2.
2. So I am good. Also, I am good. Sodium. How many sodium I have?
1.
Okay, so I have. Oh no, we changed it. We changed it in the question before.
Oh, it's not
We
1?
already changed it. We changed it already with the.
Oh, 2,
filling.
2.
Yeah,
2.
I
Sorry.
forgot. It's 2. 2 sodium. So I am 2. Good.
Yeah.
Here,
Here, 2.
2. Okay, iodine. How much iodine do I have?
1.
1. Why?
Yeah.
I have
Oh.
1 here. And
Oh,
this
sorry. 2, 2. Oh,
Two.
yeah. So, yeah, 2.
I cancel it and set 2 because it's I'm not me the one who changed it. I cancel it and
Oh,
put
okay.
the
Yeah.
new one. And here
2.
okay, so I am good here. I am good here. I am
Yeah.
good on everything. I am good. Okay.
Yeah.
The teacher don't want to see this and later on, but now sometimes they ask to see them because do you see I forget to write the 2 of the sodium, but the teacher will see that you already did it. She will know that you are okay, and we will go back. If you want to write any note, please write it. So we will go back to the worksheet.
Yeah. Okay.
If you are ready, let me know. Okay, are you okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. Anyone still need time? Who still need time?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So Who want to start? If you work, this is will make you good.
I can,
Ali, who wants to start?
I can start, Safa.
Safa, I don't want you to start here. It's very easy. Do you want to start this one?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, for number 1, it would be 2 before NaCl.
You want to put number 2? Let me see if we can give you permission. Slide control. I cannot accept a 3. I can pass. Ali, Safa. Why just a 3? Why just a 3 we can invite? Only 3 we can invite? Or I don't know how to use it.
Or maybe try close and open again.
Okay. I can invite Abbas, Ali, and Safa. Okay, so Safa, you are good. Here, tell me, how many sodium you have here?
2.
How do you know it's 2?
I wrote it down.
When you write it down from the previous example?
Yeah.
No, that's example we finished from it. Now we start from 0.
Okay.
You have to just write reactant, product, and element. The element was sodium, chlorine, potassium, and regarding the hydroxide is together. Okay, because we have hydroxide. I will look at the product. If the hydroxide is still hydroxide, I will use it as hydroxide. If the hydroxide is decomposes into another element, so I will use it on oxygen and hydrogen. But it's still hydroxide and hydroxide, so for easier for me to keep it the same. Okay?
Okay.
So how many elements of sodium we have?
2.
Why? I have 1 and here have 1. 1 times 1 is 1 in the reactant side.
Okay.
Where is the 2? Why how did you understand it too?
I found my old periodic table, so that's why I'm just reading from the periodic table.
Okay, that's good from the periodic table. But in the periodic table, what do you have? Why the sodium is 2 with you?
Because there's like a plus, so I thought you add, and then it comes 2 for that one.
Is the electronegativity maybe? No. We don't check it from the periodic table. We know that she is in here. I don't need from the periodic table. Here I don't use the periodic table at all. I don't need to write the molecular formula. I don't need the Lewis dot symbol, the valence electrons. I don't need anything. I just want to balance the number of electrons. Okay? The number of atoms. So I see here, I don't know if we have to stop and explain how to read it. Okay, so we have sodium. I will ask Mr. Hussein not to add any more students without got a lesson before we come to the class, because it's not fair to have 2 different levels at the class. Some people, because they studied around 10 hours before, and students when they just come. Do you know, this is sodium chloride. We read it this way. This is one molecule of sodium chloride. Okay, and we used at when we was talking about it, I will do here the number 3. I give you one more complicated so you can understand it. We give another example. We studied it this way at this class. 3 calcium chloride. So I told them that mom went for shopping and bought 3 boxes of chocolate. Which mean 3 boxes, which mean 3 molecules of calcium chloride. 3 molecules of calcium chloride. Okay, so 3 meaning how many closed box I have. Okay, so inside, do you see? Because I have to say this is molecule. This is not element. Calcium by itself element. Chlorine by itself is element. But all together is molecule. It's a compound. So I have 3 molecules of calcium chloride. As if you have 3 boxes of a chocolate. Each box has how much? Each box inside it 1 calcium. Each box 1 calcium and 2 chlorine. This is the types of a chocolate that we have. We have chocolate calcium and we have a chocolate chlorine. This is chlorine, this is chlorine, this is calcium. And here I have calcium, chlorine, chlorine. And here I have calcium, chlorine, chlorine. So my mom bought 3 boxes of calcium chloride. How many calcium I have? Each box has 1. Do you see? 1. Each box has 1. If I remove the 3, this is mean I only have 1 calcium. If the mama bought only 1 box, so I have only 1 calcium. But because my mom bought 3, so I have how many calcium? 1 calcium, 2 calcium, 3 calcium. See here, 3 times 1, 3 times 1. Okay, let's see how much mama bought chlorine. This type of a chocolate, it's named chlorine. Okay, do you see this is 3 multiplies the 2. How much? It's 6. 6 atoms of a chlorine. 6 pieces of chlorine chocolate. Okay, let's see. This one piece, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So I have 6 pieces of chlorine atoms. Okay? Safa, did you understand it?
Yeah.
So when we are asking you to balance, remember the chocolate. How many chocolate of sodium I have here? How many chocolate of sodium I have? Look at it. How
Only
much? Huh?
1.
Okay. I want to ask you now, how many atoms of hydrogen I have?
2.
Okay. How many atoms of nitrate? This is all together. Do you know?
6.
Because it's still nitrate here and nitrate here, so I don't do composes. Of nitrate, all nitrate. How many nitrate I have?
3.
No, 2.
3.
You never got a piece of a chocolate inside of it nuts. Okay? Chocolate inside of it nut. Is this right? You got it or not? Yeah, this piece of the chocolate has inside it the nuts.
Mm-hmm.
So I will not say mama bought a chocolate and mama bought nuts. No, my mama bought this chocolate. One piece of this.
I have
Huh?
a question.
Yes.
So basically, if anything inside a bracket, that means it's just 1. So
Yes.
and if there's if there is like number 2 or 3 or 4, that means there's 4 of them, 3 of them.
No,
and 2
do
of
you
them.
know this is the number 3? When we buy
Yes.
a chocolate, do you know, I am not good with my kids at all. Do you see this is the chocolate? The one that has more pieces of nuts, I take it for myself. Okay? Sometimes we have carbon monoxide. Sometimes we have NO3. So this is have only 1 nut, and this is how many nuts it has? 3. But it's still one. The piece of the chocolate is 1 piece, but this has 1 nut, and this has 3 nuts. And this is, for example, calcium has no nuts inside it. So do you understand? This is molecule. Nitrate is molecule. Okay? But this is molecule, is inside it the oxygen. Oxygen is part of it. Okay? As if you have a piece of chocolate, inside it, there are 3 nuts. Are you understanding me, or you don't want, or this example of a chocolate make you more confused? Is it making you more confused? Or make you understand it better? Safa,
Kind of
make you feel better or make you feel confused?
confused.
Confused, so we shouldn't talk about the chocolate. Okay? Some people understand things when you related it to their life. Others, they feel more confused. Okay? So just say, I didn't understand this example. I need another examples. Okay. So this is nitrate. I have nitrogen. I have oxygen atom. It's okay. When I have nitrogen oxide, nitrogen gas, when I have oxygen gas, do you see only oxygen, only nitrogen? But there is a compound made up of nitrogen and oxygen in nature, and it's combined to each others. It make one compound, and I have to treat it as X, just one element. I will treat it only as one. So do you see this is inside the brackets? I treat them as there are one, only one. Do you know in math, when they say, for example, you have X, Y, and you have here the number to the power 2. So X of Y, both of them to the power of 2. So they are just, you treat them as one. Good, Dali, that you understand it. I recognize that you understand that nitrate is just one. Tell me here, how much nitrate do we have, Safa?
1.
Here.
1.
This is nitrate inside the box 1. We treat it as 1. But how many nitrate I have?
It says 3.
No, this is a 3 for the oxygen. This is part of it. Who can explain it in his way? Who can make it for us easy? For example, I have aluminium. Okay. Carbonate. How many carbonate do I have?
3.
3. This is the 3 that you are talking about. Yes?
Yes.
Not this. This is no. This is part of it. Because here it's carbonate. Just one piece.
Mhm.
Okay?
Yep.
How many aluminium I have?
2.
2. So what if I have 3 aluminium carbonate? How many aluminium I have?
6.
Very good. How many carbonate do I have?
3.
3. What about this? This number for everything in the front of it.
Okay. It would be 9.
9. Carbonate 9. Now, Ali. Do you know, because of this, we studied this before we start the balance. Yusuf and Abbas, are you okay?
Yeah.
Does this make you understand more things, or it make things boring for you because already know?
I already know it.
Okay.
For me, just extra practice.
Thank you so much. Okay, we have this look here. I need in general 2, and here Y, Z, 3, 4. This is why Z is just one compound. Okay. and it has three pieces of three atoms of Z, one of Y. I need sun.
Hi.
Sun. How many X do I have?
1,
Where is the one? Here.
2, 2.
This is 2, but what about the
Yeah.
coefficient? Do you know in math,
Math,
when
yeah.
you have X plus 2?
Oh, you added.
No, we don't add, we multiply.
Oh, multiply.
Yeah? This
Yeah.
number, we multiply with everything in the front of it.
Yeah,
You do
yeah.
this or not? It's now, if I will say I 3X plus 3 times 2 plus 6
6. Yeah,
will be 3X plus 6.
yeah.
Yeah, because this is coefficient affected everything in the front of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much X do I have?
2.
2. What about this?
Oh, 6, 6. Oh, 8, 8, 8. My bad, my
Yeah,
bad,
yeah,
my
yeah.
bad.
So it's we multiply, not
Yeah,
tab-
yeah, yeah. My bad, my bad.
okay. How much we have years? This is not the present even. How much?
Is that Y or X?
Why is that? It's
Oh,
not,
Y is.
we don't care about it. It's just one compound.
Yeah, okay. You have 3. 3 times 12.
Who can tell us?
It's only 4.
Oh, 4.
This is the number, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Who said it's only 4?
It was
You-
me.
Yeah, I cannot see because I don't see the names.
Miss,
Yeah.
don't you multiply the 4 with the 4?
Yes, very good.
Oh, it's 16, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is 4 here, it's good, but you don't forget that this coefficient for everything in the front of it. Okay? Are you good? So the one who said it's 4, recognize you forget to multiply by here. But you are did well, very well, that you said this is, we don't talk about it. Just we have all of it, because I am talking about all of it. All of it, it's 4. And multiply by the coefficient, it will be 16. Can we return back with the, now with Safa?
Yep.
Yeah, Safa. For the sodium, how many sodiums do you have?
Only 1.
Okay, good. And in the product side?
1 as well.
Yeah, one. Because here 1 and here 1, it's 1. What about the chlorine?
1.
Here 1 and here 1. So
Mhm.
it's 1. And what about here, chlorine? 1 here and 1 here.
1.
Okay, good. What about the potassium?
1.
Here, very good. The product?
1.
Okay. What we still have?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. How much we have oxygen?
1.
Oh, we don't have oxygen, we have hydroxide. Okay? Because all we said this is all together, we will take it.
Mhm.
Okay? So we have here hydroxide. How much?
1.
And here?
1.
Look at it. Is it balanced or need balancing?
Balanced.
Balance equation. So it's balanced. We have to say balance because the teacher will ask, will think that we left it.
Mhm.
No, we didn't leave it. Just we found it's balanced. We say balanced and that's all. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we will move to the second with Ali. Number 2, Ali.
1.
You can write. Let me check. Oh. Ali, you can write. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you let's write for us the element magnesium. And then what?
And I have 1 here.
No, 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 magnesium. First of all, I need to write the elements.
So you want me to write them here or here?
Yeah, in the table, so I can balance.
Oh, okay. So here.
Yeah,
Okay.
magnesium. On Monday, it was supposed, in next Wednesday, it was supposed to have our test. It's not to get a mark, but now I don't know what to do. We have to postpone it one more week, but we have to do quizzes. Okay, so magnesium, I have one. It's okay, but before you put this, what second element I have is oxygen.
Oxygen.
Yeah, what third element?
So it's one.
No, what is the name of it?
The oxygen or lithium?
Lithium, because already oxygen, I wrote it.
Oh yeah, lithium.
Lithium, Li.
Yeah.
What is the fourth?
It's sorry. Say that again.
What else I have?
You have two.
What are
Two products.
look? Let's do it again.
Okay.
Okay. I have magnesium already. I wrote it. Okay.
Yes.
I have oxygen. I wrote it.
Yes.
I have lithium. I wrote it. What else I have?
Oh, you have sulfur.
Sulfur.
Yes.
Yeah, but look, I know that sulfate is a compound, a molecule, all of it.
So is it sulfonate or something?
Sulfate.
Sulfate, yeah, sulfate.
Okay. If this sulfate in the product still the same, didn't compose, so I will write it as it. Easier for the balance.
Okay.
If this sulfate, here I found it that there is only magnesium sulfide plus carbon dioxide plus, so I will have to write as O. Okay?
Okay.
I will divided it, but here is only one, so I will leave it one. Okay?
Okay.
So I have sulfate. Now I have to go. Magnesium. How many magnesium do I have? Now you write. Now fill the numbers one by one. It's okay. Oxygen. How much oxygen?
One.
Okay, right. One.
Okay. And for
And the
lithium,
oxygen. Wait, here do you see the sulfate? It's contain oxygen, but I will not count it with this oxygen. I will not count it with this oxygen.
yeah, because it's together.
Because it's part of the sulfate. MashaAllah, Ali, you catch this one. And here, oxygen, okay, one. Lithium, what about lithium?
Lithium, it has two products, and it's one reaction, right?
Not has two products, it has two atoms.
Oh yeah, so it's two, right?
Okay. What about sulfate?
It's four.
Sulfate, where is the four?
Here. Or is
No,
it for the
this
eight
is
for the ATE?
no, this is part of her identity.
Oh yeah, so it's one.
It's one.
Yeah.
And here,
One.
where you need to be to make a balance.
So the only difference is for the lithium. It has two, and the rest has one.
Where?
But it's balanced, right?
Yeah, but the lithium here. I don't compare it with her friends. I compare
Yeah.
it with herself. Okay.
Yes.
I just want to know that I have things well, because when you are using 2 eggs to prepare the cake, at the end you will have 2 eggs. But you used 1 cup of oil. At the end, you will have 1 cup of oil. Okay, it should be balanced between here and there, not with here. Okay,
Yeah.
I have two lithium, I have two lithium. This is good. So it's balanced.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah.
At least, alhamdulillah, they are balanced. We are studying how to know the number of atoms. Okay. Safa did it. Ali did it. San. Hello, San.
Hi, miss.
Yes. Okay, San. Look, the third one.
Okay.
Okay. Reactant product. I will help you because your name not there. Okay, hydrogen.
2.
No. We
No.
first need to know what elements do we have. We have hydrogen and
Oxygen.
okay. Okay. In the reactant side, how many hydrogen
2.
in the product?
2.
Okay, good. How many oxygen
1.
product?
2.
What I have to do?
You have to do for oxygen to make it balance.
Yeah, it's not
Oh.
balanced because they are
Yeah,
not.
it's not.
Which one I have to multiply? Here it's a 2. So this is, I will make it 2.
Yeah, you have to multiply all.
it by 2.
Yeah, multiply by 2. Yeah.
Okay. You multiply the reactant side.
Yeah.
So where you have to put your 2? In the front of what? In the front of the oxygen, yeah?
Yeah.
But the oxygen is with water.
Yeah.
Even though I will put it here. And
Yeah.
I will go to do it from 0 now.
Mhm.
I will make it from the start. How many hydrogen I have?
4.
So this is now 4.
Yeah.
Okay. How on the product side?
2.
2. So what I have to do?
Multiply by 2.
Yes. So I will go back here and I multiply by 2.
Yeah.
And then I repeat. How much hydrogen I have?
4.
How much hydrogen I have?
4.
Okay, good. Oxygen. How much oxygen I have?
2.
How much oxygen I have?
2.
Okay, I am good. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's balanced now.
Yeah.
Okay, are you good? You at
Yeah.
least catch up, even if you are not wow till now, but regarding you come late. Okay, you are doing well. Yusuf, Abbas, who wants to go first?
I have a question.
Yeah.
So for the H2O, isn't it together or no?
I will be right. Abbas is not here. Okay. I didn't understand, Yusuf. Sorry.
Oh, it's after.
Okay. Can you repeat your question, please?
So for the third one, H2O, isn't it like together as the SO or no? Because it's
No,
water.
H2O, no. Because even if it's together, it's okay. Let's suppose it's together, okay? I want to
Yes.
suppose it's together. But when I came here, is it still H2O? If it's still H2O, so I will treat it as one. Okay? But I don't have it. It decomposed. So the H went by itself
okay.
and the oxygen went by itself.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, got it.
So here, do you see an O3? Is it still an O3?
No.
So I will take it as one.
Okay.
I just take it as one if it's stayed in the product side, the same form. Okay? It
Okay.
didn't decompose. It didn't add it for it anything. Sana, are you okay? Safa, sorry.
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
With each example, do you feel you start to feel more good?
Yes, I do.
Alhamdulillah. Yes. Abbas is not here. Yusuf, you have to start.
Okay, so for the first element, in the reacting side,
Yeah, just give me a minute. Let me see what we have. MashaAllah, Abbas. Yusuf already, always. Okay, what the elements that we have?
so for the first one we have rubidium
Okay, RB and
and fluorine
F. Okay,
and beryllium
okay,
and
okay.
nitrate
Yeah, and nitrate as all. Why as all?
and we have also rubidium on the
No,
product.
no. Just we count till here. Because whatever I have here, it will be here. Okay?
Yeah.
No. I have to check the atoms. How much rubidium we have?
We have only one.
Product,
Also one.
fluorine,
Fluorine we have one
product.
and two.
Mm-hmm. Third one,
We have one
product.
and one also.
Okay. Nitrate.
One and one.
Be
Sorry,
careful.
two and one.
Very good. What would you do here?
To balance the fluorine and the nitrate.
Okay, so what you are going to balance?
So I'm gonna put two for the first compound.
Okay, so I will go. Okay,
And rubidium is gonna be also two.
here
No, for the first one.
I put two.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's both. Rubidium is going to be two and also fluorine.
but we added because of the fluorine, but rubidium start to be. Okay, so I will, what I will do for this, because this is now two, what I will do here.
We also gonna put two.
Okay. And then if it has two, what happened for the nitrate?
Nitrate is also gonna be two.
Here,
So nitrate is balanced because we have two on the reactant and two on the product side.
very good, very good. So everything is good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see if Abbas came back. You get it? If any one of you have a question, please let me know. What is this? I will give you five, between five, maybe less. Each one have to get his own one. We did four. So this is Abbas one. He is not here still. Abbas, you came?
Yeah, I just came.
Okay.
6.
Okay. They will start before us or they will waited us, I don't know. I need for this is for Safa because it's a little bit hard, tricky. And this is for Ali. Safa. Ali. And Abbas. And Yusuf. Yusuf, this is you will be your one. Stan. This is will be your one. Is it okay? Ali, again, you will have Abbas I mean Abbas. This is again for you. Here I will help you. That's everyone will do it by himself now. You will get around 5 minutes to think about it. Abbas, I will start with you. Here, what the elements that we have?
Oh, for number 6 or 9 you're talking about?
Six. Six.
Okay,
Six
so
reactant product.
yeah, I'm getting my paper.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. We have carbon.
So okay, we have carbon and we have fluor.
Now we have
Fluoro.
oxygen. Yeah, we have chlorine.
Chlorine, and
Yeah.
we have oxygen.
Okay.
Okay,
How
so
much? Okay, how much carbon?
carbon we have 1 here
Okay. Product.
and 1.
Let me just.
Uh, oxygen we have 2, and all the product is gonna be 2 as well.
Product is 2.
2.
Chlorine.
Oh, chlorine we have 2
Uh,
and we have 4.
okay, start.
Okay, so we're gonna just balance the chlor first.
Yeah.
We have on the product.
Where
We have
I
on the product 4. Sorry. Multiply by 2. So it's gonna be 4. And let's check. We're gonna
where
add
is
it
the
to
chlorine
the
here?
chlor.
Okay, we will add it in
So
front.
we're gonna add 2 for us. Multiply by 2. I think
It's
it's gonna
okay.
be balanced. It's balanced now.
Now it's balanced. Okay, good. Now everyone has one. Okay. Okay, Abbas, your number 9 is your one.
Okay, should I write on the screen or on paper?
No, in your paper, you have to give me the final answer. All of you. Safa,
Sure.
Yes.
Safa. Yeah, start. Abbas, Ali, Sam,
Yes.
start.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm done mine. But I'm not sure if it's right or not.
What?
I'm done mine, but I'm not sure if it's right or not.
Okay, just let we give them now. We will stop at 45 and we will come to cover. Are they balanced? This is the band. Here you have how much and how many and? Safa,
Yes.
how many atoms do you have here? of nitrogen?
1,
Hydrogen.
3,
Okay, here. In the product side, how many nitrogen?
2,
But you added 2.
so it'd be 1.
No, you already 2. You added, okay, it's already has 2. And here has 1. But you have at the same time nitrogen 2 and here 1. What I have to do? This is one of the very hard things, equations. Do you know?
Just put 1 in the place of 2.
It's easier for me if the number here is even in the product side. So just I will time by 2 and things will be okay. Okay? Here the hydrogen is 3. And here the hydrogen is how much?
2,
2. And here?
3.
3. So if I will go to LCD in grade 6 or 7 or 8, okay? I cannot multiply here by a number to make it 3. And I cannot make the number of 3 here 2. I cannot. So I will go to the LCD, which is the least common denominator, least common multiply. Okay? So I have to multiply the 2 by what?
By 2.
By 3.
Okay.
And here?
By 1.
No, it's 3 now. I have to make the balance. If the number 2 here and the number 3 here, just exchange in simple way. When you have different numbers, different prime numbers in both sides, change them, convert them. So you have here 2 and here 3. And no way, they are consecutive numbers. Okay, and they are prime numbers. So I will do the opposite. I will do here 2 and here 3. Check it. Did you check it? How many nitrogen?
There's only 1.
Nitrogen.
Oh, 2,
Hydrogen.
3.
What about this?
Oh, 6,
Okay, here. How many nitrogen?
2,
How many hydrogen?
6.
Okay, so you finished. Practice more. Try the others. Who finished?
I did.
Okay, do you want to explain it for us?
Will it be 1?
Hmm?
Will it be 1, 2, 1, 2?
When it's 1 in this side and 2 on the other side?
Yeah, so like this.
If 1 here and 2 here, I will multiply by 2. And here multiply by 1. Because 1 and 2 are prime numbers also. I exchange. 3 and 2 are prime numbers. I will exchange.
Is it like that?
Show me, write it.
I wrote it.
Ali, let me just 2 sodium. Yes, good, because fluorine is 2. I have to put here 2. You did it. And then because here too, the sodium affected, I put it for her. And because sodium get affected, the bromine will be affected. It's very good. Even no one understand anything from it. Safa and Ali, did you understand it?
Oh, yes, I understood.
Yeah. Okay. Sound,
Yes.
did you understand it?
My question?
Yeah.
No, I'm still doing it.
Okay. When you finish, let me know.
Yeah, okay.
I finished my question.
Show us your answer.
So my answer is I just put 2 on the HCN.
HCN. We don't have HCN.
No, it's
Oh, yeah. Okay, we have to vote. Oh.
yeah, we have to put only 2.
Okay, in the front of HCN and whom? Because it's affected.
Yeah, we only put like behind the HCN,
Oh, yeah.
reactant side.
And the hydrogen and the other one will be get affected. Okay, good. Okay, so Ali and Sana, show me Abbas.
I'm not sure for one things, but I will write it. So we're gonna add it to here.
Where? Okay.
It's here. Yeah. So it's gonna be balanced the fluorine and it's gonna be the sodium balanced. But still we have to add it to because here we have on the product for two. So if we add it here too,
Yeah, if we add it to here,
it is gonna be changed to 4,
you are working in
9.
on 9. Okay. Why do you need to add here? Because yeah.
Uh, make
Yeah.
it balanced with the product.
Yeah. And then what you will do? This is 2 is not enough. You will remove it and put instead of it what?
4.
4. 4 sodium is okay. And 4 F. And then here, sulfur 1. Sulfur
Those 2
and
is
okay.
gonna be 2 and 2 here. And the sodium is gonna be 4 on the reacting side, and it's gonna be 4 on the other side. The only thing is gonna be change the fluoro, so it's gonna be SO2 here.
No, we will not change it. Yeah, because here it's 4. And already, and the barium,
Miss
And
Hamdan.
also we have
I think I let
Wait.
it wait. A lot of
I'm going to do
just a minute. How much barium? Barium 1. Fluorine 2, so I have to put 2. It's stop working. Okay. First of all, I have to put 2.
This is the first step. So we have 4. We have here 4. We have 2 here. 2 here. So the first 4.
No,
we
why
have
do
to add.
directly? Just let me see. 2 sodium, 2 sodium. Okay. 2F, 2F is good. Barium, barium. F2, F2. Sodium 2, sodium 2. Sulfur 1, here the sulfur. Because of it, I put it in front this 2. Okay, and then I will repeat. It will be here 4. It's not my pencil. My pen stopped writing. Here it will be in front of sodium fluoride 4. Can you write it 4?
Here?
Yeah, for in the front of sodium fluoride. Okay, so I have 4 sodium, 4 sodium. Fluorine 4, I have to add 2.
Yes.
It's 2 barium, 2 barium. 4 fluorine, 4 fluorine. 4 sodium, 4 sodium. Sulfur 1,
So we
sulfur 2, sulfur 2. It's good.
don't have to add it as well for the barium phosphor sulfur too.
It's just like this. It's over. 2, 2, 4.
Okay.
Okay. So, Abbas, I check it. Yusuf, hi. San, do you want to say anything?
Sorry?
Do you want to say anything?
No.
Everyone is okay?
No, mine is correct or not?
Lithium, I have to check it.
Oh, okay.
1 gallium. 2 gallium, it's okay. Oxygen 3, and here now it's a 3. Good. 6, very good. Very good. MashaAllah. Ali, you are Ali, yeah? Or Yusuf? Number 8, Ali or Yusuf?
No, I'm San.
San, that's good. Okay, I think all of you did very well. I will upload our worksheet